Hey there, SEO enthusiasts, and welcome back to SMA Marketing, where we help you stay ahead of the digital marketing game. My name's Ryan, and today we are looking at an exciting topic, which is 5 ways we can leverage ChatGPT for SEO. So if you're looking to boost your website's performance, improve your content strategy, and drive more organic traffic, then you're in the right place. ChatGPT is a language model from OpenAI, and it's a powerful tool that we can leverage for our SEO efforts. Now, it's important to realize that ChatGPT isn't going to do the work for you. You're going to have to use the right prompts and understand that this is a tool, and without your inputs, you're not going to get the right outputs. So let's dive in. So as I said before, this video, we're going to be looking at 5 ways we can leverage ChatGPT with our content, technical SEO, competitor research, keyword research, and even user experience. So our first tip is how we can leverage it for content creation. When it comes to content creation, we can ask it to do things like analyze our page and generate titles and metas for us. So what I've already done is went ahead and put these prompts into ChatGPT, and you can see that it's given me a number of different options. Now, these are really cool options that we can use to mix and match or find the right balance and make title tags that are really engaging. If you've got a whole lot of pages, you can actually put all of those pages in there and it'll start generating stuff for you. It's really going to speed up your work. Now, again, it's not copy and paste. You're going to need to do a little bit of legwork after, but at least this prompt allows us to generate titles and tags for our web pages and then make those optimizations later. Now, ChatGPT is super popular for content creation, but it's not just useful for that purpose. You can actually use it to rewrite your content and to refocus your content. So let's say you've got a page that you want to shift and maybe make a page that's a little bit more vertically focused on a market. So what I've done is I've taken one of my URLs and I've asked it to rewrite that page for a construction market. So it's taken the content on my site and rewrote it for a totally new audience. Now, as you can see, this is some decent content, but it's not something, again, I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to leverage this and work with my team to create better content that's really going to set us apart. But if I would have done this on my own, it would have taken me hours. Using ChatGPT, I get started in literally minutes, and I have something that I can at least use to massage a little bit with my team so I can move faster. This is super helpful for one-man shops, smaller businesses, and teams that really just need to move faster. Again, it's not a copy and paste situation, but it is a really great starting point. ChatGPT is also really useful when you want to do technical SEO. Maybe you're not a technical SEO specialist, but by leveraging ChatGPT, you can actually even write code that you may not know how to write. So one of the things that we can ask it to do is, what type of structured data should I add on a certain web page? And by asking ChatGPT this question, you can get tailored advice on implementing structured data on your site, and this can significantly boost your search visibility. All I asked it to do was give me some examples of structured data I could use on my SEO page. And it's given me 4 different types of markup, and it even generated some example markup that I can then alter in order to match my context. It's given me local business, service markup, FAQs, and reviews. Now, I'm going to need to go and update this information so that it reflects my business, but this is a great place to start. So you don't actually have to know how to write JSON LD anymore, and you can get this stuff put out for you. You can go ahead and alter it, and then you just go validate it in the validation tools that are on validate.schema.org or the rich results test. This is really going to speed up your technical SEO, and it's a really cool usage for ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT for competitive research. You want to stay ahead of the curve? Use this tool to look at your competitors and compare the SEO factors between your site and their site. And you get some pretty cool insights using this tool. So I've already asked it this question again, and it's given me things like differences in page title and meta description. It's looking at the headers, the length of my content versus the competitors, internal links, external links, image alts, and more. A whole lot of really cool SEO factors that you can walk through and compare your site with your competitors. This is going to allow you to peek behind the curtain and not have to go to 14 or 15 different sites or look at the different things with maybe a browser extension, which are all really good and you probably still should do. This will help you get started, though, using artificial intelligence. Now, this wouldn't be the end of my research, but it's a really great place to start. helps me see things like content length, like we talked about, and even gives me some optimization opportunities. Now, these may not be perfectly tailored for me, but at least they're good places to start. And for somebody who may be new to SEO, this is an amazing place to start, and it's some pretty good information to get you going. All right, now we're going to look at ChatGPT and how we can use it to uncover keyword opportunities. Keyword research is extremely important to SEO success, and ChatGPT can help. Now, again, I'm using very simple prompts here, and the more information you get it, the better it's going to be. But if I simply ask it to identify relevant keywords and phrases for a target business within the search marketing vertical, for instance, it's going to give me some awesome opportunities that I can use to refine my keyword targeting strategy. Now, I've asked it this question, and it's given me a list of different keywords and different keyword groups that I can go after. Now, all I have to do is take this and put it in my favorite SEO tool, and I can start to get that data. But it doesn't just stop with broad terms. Actually, it went ahead and gave me some long tail variants as well. So these are even more keywords that I can look at. Again, this is a great jumping off point. If you're not sure what to do, ask it to give you some keywords within your related industry, and it's going to spit out ideas for you. Then you can use these in Moz or Ahrefs or SEMrush or any of the other tools you're using to see which one makes the most sense for your business. Finally, ChatGPT can actually help us enhance our user experience. Now, this is pretty cool because user experience is more important than ever when it comes to search and conversion optimization. We can use a prompt as simple as, how can I improve this page for user experience? And then I give it the page. What ChatGPT will do is provide suggestions on how to enhance our website's UX, which, like we said, has major impact on our SEO performance. What it's done here is it's analyzed my content, the visual layouts of my site, user engagement and trust signals, technical enhancements, lead nurturing, analytics, and more. Now, some of this may be a little bit more generic, but some of it's pretty specific and can be very helpful, especially to new website owners, but also people who've been in it a while and maybe you're just overlooking some things because they've been looking at a site over and over again. It's a super helpful tool when it comes to that process. All right, so there you have it. 5 powerful ways that we can use ChatGPT to elevate our SEO game. So whether you're optimizing content, trying to do technical SEO, enhancing user experience, ChatGPT is a great weapon for your success. Now, it's important to remember, don't copy and paste things off ChatGPT. Add your own value. Use this as a tool and use it to enhance what you're already doing. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe and tell your friends. That way we can share more SEO tips and tricks on this channel. And drop a comment below with your favorite ChatGPT hack. And until next time, happy marketing.